Okay, now here we're given the Riemann sum, the limit, as a number of rectangles approaches infinity of the sum I equal 1 to n of x sub I star to the fifth power times delta x from x equals 0 to x equals 1 is equal to 1/6. They just give it to us. That's r sub 6. The Riemann sum for this particular function is equal to 1/6. And we're asked to find the definite integral from x equals 0 to 1 of the function 3 plus 6x to the fifth dx using the integral properties that you read about in note 110. So have that note open and ready to look at while we go through this. Okay, here we go. The integral from x equals 0 to 1 of 3 plus 6x to the fifth dx can be broken apart according to the rules in note 110 as the integral from 0 to 1 of the first term, 3 dx, plus 6, pull out the 6, times the integral from 0 to 1, x to the fifth dx. So we broke it up, we pulled out constants. Well, according to note 110, we can evaluate the integral from 0 to 1 of 3. It's 3 times 1 minus 0, plus 6 times, well, this integral can be defined as the limit of the Riemann sum, which it was given to us to be 1/6. It's the limit of the sum of x sub I star to the fifth times delta x, and it was given to be equal to 1/6 at the very beginning of this problem. So we just used it, we substituted it here. Okay, so that's equal to 3 plus 6 times 1/6 is 1, so it's equal to 4. And there is an example of how you use the properties of the integral from note 110 to evaluate the integral, the definite integral of a function.